President Obama and Republican presidential nominee Mitt Romney will both take the stage in Denver tonight. They're taking it with cautious optimism. Elizabeth Gordon has a preview of the high-stakes contest. Resume.
Is this just
Resume.
Is this okay, you want the mic hanging out of his collar or on his
Can we back
guitar?
on this mic one?
No, this is the acoustic. Who's this? Is he Dad? Is that Dad?
That is Dad.
Okay. There you go. I technically thought you were part of the band. Seriously. Can he move any closer? So I'm gonna have to. Yeah, there you go. No, y'all are good. Y'all good right there.
Yeah.
Y'all look good.
Yeah, thank you very much.
We're gonna come back. We're gonna be on air for a minute and then go back to break. How far out are we? Minute and a half out?
Okay.
Relax, take it now. Right now?
I need y'all to all play for me.
Play, all of you.
I need to turn this up. Go ahead and play for me, bass. Play me this.
Thanks, Dr. Sue. For more information and advice to help your kids from toddlers to teen, just visit our website. That's PermianBasin360.com. Turning to weather on this Wednesday morning. Yes. Looking to be like it may be a warm afternoon, something that I'm very excited about.
There you go. You know, you nailed it. If you enjoy the warmth, enjoy it today, because as we head towards the weekend, we're going to see a very cool one. We're going to see temperatures drop to the upper 50s and lower 60s. But today, above that average of 82, we'll be into the lower 90s. So really nice afternoon out there. We're seeing a pleasant start to our day. We're at 57 degrees right now. 78% humidity. Wind speeds are like out of the south at 8 miles an hour. Elsewhere, 61 in Bay Spring, 56 in Bay Lake, 61 degrees in Fort Stockton. So all in all, not a bad start to our day, but we are going to see temperatures quickly warm up throughout the afternoon. We'll see 80 degrees by lunchtime. Wind speeds fairly light, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour. As we head through the day today, we'll see them continue out of the southerly direction, right around 10 to 20 miles an hour. So there will be a light breeze out there this afternoon, which is good news. And as we look at the satellite radar composite over the last 12 hours, you can see we saw lots of sun yesterday. We're seeing surface high pressure continue to dominate our weather, and what that means for us as well, we're going to continue to see the clear skies. We're not going to be seeing any clouds develop for the day today, or really for the day tomorrow. We're going to look at temperatures into the upper 80s and lower 90s, 94 in Kermit as well as Fort Stockton, 93 degrees this afternoon in Crane, lots of sun, light south winds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles an hour, but we're talking some big changes as we head into our weekend. Looking at our extended forecast, you can see that 80 degrees for your day tomorrow. So a weak cold front will come through, dropping temperatures slightly tomorrow. Then Friday will bounce right back up into the mid-80s. And as we head into the weekend, much stronger second cold front will come through during the early morning hours Saturday. What that's going to be doing is keeping up wind speeds and then bringing us some cloud cover for the weekend. And the combination of the cloud cover could see some isolated showers on Saturday as well. That's going to be bringing us much chillier air, upper 50s to lower 60s. The coldest air mass we've seen for the season, and lows dropping into the 40s. So definitely going to be, can't stress that enough, a chilly one.
Much chillier than any weekend we have seen since
quite some time.
last winter.
Exactly, yeah. Coldest air mass of the season. It's going to feel chilly out there. So if you have outdoor plans, make sure you dress accordingly.
Bring those sweaters. Bring them out. The fall is here.
That is right.
Well, still to come right here on Good Morning West Texas. West Texas. Final town climate search is just about upon us. We're reviewing the event live music.
only one-on-one. You're gonna be one-on-me.
Y'all gonna be over here.
No, we're gonna be here.
And then he said, "Oh, over here."
No, we're gonna do it here.
Yeah, I'm position. Stay there.
They're playing first, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Make it done.
No.
We can't, we gotta switch. If we have to do it on
Wait,
that,
why do we need floodlights? Me and Shelby stand here perfectly good. Okay, right? Yeah, so we'll do one camera on each. As soon as they're done, they're gonna take us here.
We had
Minute 30.
Minute 30. Okay.
Okay. I guess we'll end on Dustin. Since we have to flip the camera, we're gonna end on them. I will float this camera over.
Okay.
We'll end on camera 1 on them.
Okay.
We'll
Tell me
flip
when,
camera 2 around.
we're gonna go straight from him to him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you're just gonna turn 2 around.
Well, here, I'm gonna stay out here, Mickey. I can help you.
I'm
Yeah, let
using
Chris
both
help you.
cameras.
Yeah.
Just listen. This is the main camera, just come in a close up. We close to counting them down. Get off them. Get on that one.
1 minute.
I'll float this one over. This will be the main now.
Okay.
So you can flip that one.
Perfect. Just give me talk to me on that side. Okay. Good luck, everybody.
Got too many voices going like this.
Too many chiefs, not enough Indians.
That's what I said. Listen. Yes.
Yeah, Shelby's gonna do that one, then Alice is gonna do the other one.
Just remember, guys, smile. I'm not talking to you people.
30
30
seconds
out.
out.
If you need to move that cord some more, that's fine. Because after we're finished with them, I still got to cross.
Yeah.
Okay, just so you know. And just relax, guys. No, she's doing the other interview. Just nobody listen.
I know, seriously. Stand by.
Stand by.
Welcome back. The West Texas Talent Search Finals are upon us. They are coming up this Friday. And as you see, we have some of the finalists right here live on Good Morning West Texas. This is the band Padlock. It is Christian, it is Hunter, and it is Gregory. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here, for showcasing your talent with us. Before I let you play the goods, tell me a little bit about the band Padlock.
Well, we are instrumental rock / jazz band. And there's 3 of us here today. The 4th one, Josh, and I did not make it. But we're just trying to play something that's different than what the mainstream is. If you like what you hear, just go to padlockband.com and hopefully you can hear more about that.
And we'll be linking that website, padlockband.com, on our website, PermianBasin360.com. But without any further ado, I'll let you gentlemen take it away, and I'm going to step off so everyone can see you guys play.
Well, thank you.
of the finalists of the West Texas Talent Search. They're one of about a dozen finalists. Now the finals are coming up this Friday. This is just the beginning of previewing all the wonderful talent that's here in West Texas. Again, the band Padlock is Christian, Hunter, and Gregory. Thank you guys so much for being with us this morning. For another finalist coming up on the West Texas Final Talent Search, we're going to send it right over to Allison. She is with Josh Allbright.
That is right, Shelby. Here I am with Josh Allbright. So thank you for joining us. Let's talk about yourself just a little bit. Tell everyone who you are.
Yeah, I'm just a songwriter, singer, I play country, local blues, little rock.
That's about it.
That's about it. Yeah.
What song are you going to be singing?
I'm going to be singing a song that I wrote. It's called "Real Friends" about my heart.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I'm going to step aside and let you show everybody your talent.
Thank you. In the yard sitting, standing there. Looking a little rough, hey, I don't care. I got a real friend waiting on me. Time doesn't matter to her, and I she don't care. She listens all the time, doesn't have to fix her hair. She's there for me, through thick and thin. And she don't mind hanging with all my friends. My road, grass here.
Josh, and I do want to remind everyone that the West Texas Talent Search Finals are this Friday, October 5th at the Ector Theater, and tickets are on sale. This begins at 7:30, so I hope everyone goes out there to pick the West Texas finalists right there. But let's take it over to weather now. It is time to talk some weather out there.